Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is three numbers A, B and C are in the ratio of that is 12:15:25. If the sum of these number is 312, then the ratio between the difference of B and A and the difference of C and B is, so here we have to find out the difference between B and A and C and B. To do this, the first thing which we have to do, we have to find out the sum of the three numbers. So here we take, let the three numbers be that is So here we take the three number that is 12x, 15x and 25x. So these are the three numbers. So this is for A and this is for B and this is for C. So in the question it says that if sum of these three number is 312, so the first thing which we have to do, we find out the sum of these number. So here the number we are having that is 12, 15 and 25, and that is 12x plus 15x and plus 25x. This becomes that is 312. So after simplifying this, we get here that is 52x is equal to 312 and x is equal to 312 divided by 52. This 52 divides 312 and this becomes that is 52 ones are and 52 six are, that is 312. So now we have got the value for x, that is 6. So this is the value for x. And now if you take a look in the question, so it says that the difference of B and A. So what is the difference of B and A? So here we take the difference, therefore the difference of B and A, that is B minus A. So this is the difference and it says that the ratio between the difference of B and A and the difference of C and B. So here the ratio, so we take out the ratio for B minus A and C minus B. So this is C minus B and this minus represents the differences. So here we have now got that is, so the difference of B minus A, the B we are having that is 15x. So this becomes that is 15x minus, and A we are having that is 12x. So this becomes that is 12x upon. For C we are having that is 25x minus, and B that is 15x. So now putting the value of x, and x we are having that is 6. So after putting the value, we get here that is 15 multiplied by 6. Here we have put the value of x, that is 6, minus 12 multiplied by 6 upon 25. So this is 25 multiplied by 6 minus 15 multiplied by 6. So we have just taken out the differences and as well as we have put the value of x. So this becomes that is 15 multiplied by 6. We get here the answer, that is 90. So this becomes 90 minus 12 by 6, that is 72 upon, and 25 multiplied by 6, that is 150, minus 15 multiplied by 6, that is 90. So now we have got that is 90 minus 72, that is 18 upon, and 150 minus 90, that is 60. So after dividing it by 2, we get that is 2 nines are, that is 18, and 2 30s are, that is 60, and it can also be further solved by 3. So 3 3s are, that is 9, and 3 10s are, that is 30. So now we have got the value, that is 3 upon 10, and this is the difference of B minus A upon C minus A, and this is as well as the ratio, and this 3 upon 10 is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.